So you started a Facebook group and now it is DEAD, dead. Like nobody is engaging, nobody is posting, nobody is commenting, and you're wondering, what in the world do I have to do to get people to be active inside my group? Well, if you're curious about how to revive a dead Facebook group and bring it back to life, then stick with me in this video because I am going to give you the 7 strategies to revive your Facebook group starting today. Hi, if you're new to this channel, my name is Lindsay Sewell and I help you to take your online business and turn it into income in record time so you can create the time and financial freedom and live the life that you desire. And one of the best ways to create financial independence is to create a community of raving fans. And right now, Facebook groups is an incredible place to create that community because let's face it, almost everybody that you know has a Facebook account. And people get to engage with each other inside that group. They get notifications from Facebook. You can do Facebook Lives. You have so many tools at your disposal for free. Yes, that's right. Facebook groups are an incredible asset for your business and they're free too. But if you've been building a Facebook group and maybe it started off great and people were joining and they were excited to be there and they were engaged and they were introducing themselves, and now you're the only one posting, no one is commenting, and you feel like you're banging your head against the wall, you feel like you're gonna tear your hair out, and you feel like you literally need to do digital cartwheels and jumping jacks to get people to pay attention, then I'm here to give you 7 reasons why your members might not be engaging and how to turn that around today. So number one of the biggest reasons that I see that people have Facebook groups where their members are not engaged is because they're sharing other people's content and they're not creating their own. So if you're only posting, cat memes and funny videos or sharing content from other places, even really high quality content, it's okay to share other people's content sometimes, but there needs to be a reason for people to come into your group and want to engage with you. And that means creating your own original content. Other people's quotes, other people's Facebook Lives, other people's content is not as powerful for your group members as you creating your own content. So start thinking about the types of content that you could create that would really serve your audience. Are you in the health and wellness space? Could you come up with a bunch of recipes and do a live video showing people how to make one of them? If you are a coach, could you coach somebody live? Could you invite somebody on there and coach them inside of your group? Could you create tips and checklists that your members could use that would show your value that you are providing to them and make them want to stick around and engage? Now, the second reason that I see, and this kind of ties in with the first one, is that your group is just too pitchy and spammy. That's right, I'm calling you out on it. If you have created a product group and all people ever see inside that group are your BOGO sales and your pictures of your products, then you do not have a value-based group. Think about the benefits of your products and how you can share that with your members instead of just telling them what the products are. Because nobody wants to go into a group and be pitched to day in and day out. If that's the case, they are going to stop responding. And here's a little secret for you. This is a bonus tip. If people stop responding to your posts, Facebook will actually stop notifying them that you've posted in the group. So let's say Sally is going along and she's opening up all your posts about your spammy product pictures. And then she goes, oh, all it ever is spammy product pictures. And she sees the notification from Facebook and she ignores it. If she does that a couple times, Facebook will no longer post those notifications for her to see. So if you're not creating value, your members have no reason to check out what it is you're posting in the group. Number 3, Your people don't know why they're there. Let me ask you a very important question. Do you have a welcome video? Do you have a welcome description? Are you welcoming people to the group and telling them what they can expect once they're inside the community? Are you telling them how to get the most out of the group? Are you telling them how to introduce themselves? If you're not welcoming your new members with a welcome video, and if you don't have an onboarding process for them, then they're going to bounce pretty quickly because they don't know whether or not they should be sticking around. Number 4, go live. Go live in your group. I'm telling you this, go live in your group. I know you're scared. I know you feel like you don't have anything to say on camera. I know it seems really intimidating, but the only way that you are going to get past that is by doing it anyways, by feeling nervous, by feeling like you're gonna throw up, and then just doing it anyways. This will drive connection with your members. What's the first thing that you think when you see somebody going live? You see them as credible. You see them as more of an authority. You see them as somebody that you want to pay attention to and comment on and engage with. And that's exactly how you can start reviving your group, just by pushing the go live button. Start seriously today. Now, number 5, and this one I don't see a lot of people doing. Let's say you invited a bunch of people when you first got your group started, and maybe you have 50, maybe you have 100, maybe you have a couple hundred or 1,000. When's the last time you actually connected with those members? What if you have an entire list of their names? What if you reached back out to your members and started conversations with them again? This has a couple of benefits. One, you make people feel important. You create reciprocity, because if you're reaching out to them, they're naturally going to want to pay that back to you by being more engaged in your group. And the second thing is you are playing right into what Facebook wants you to do, which is being social. And once you do what they want you to do, they're going to reward you for your behavior. And those people are more likely to see your messages and your notifications. Now, I caution you, don't reach out to them to pitch them. I know, you have amazing products, you have amazing services, you want to tell them all about them. Reach out to them as a genuine, authentic human connection. Bring them back into your group. And if your products, your services, and your coaching is that amazing and you re-engage those people, they are going to want to buy it. Don't go at them with commission breath. I'm telling you, it doesn't work. Now, number 6 is be friends with your members. And I mean Facebook friends with your members. Did you ever notice how you're in a group with someone and maybe you're not even very active in the group, but one of your friends posts in the group and Facebook tells you so-and-so just posted in this group? And you're thinking, I haven't been involved in that group in a very long time. Well, it's because you're connected. It's because you're Facebook friends, and Facebook wants to tell you what's going on. If you are friends with your members, they are more likely to see your posts, more likely to see your content, more likely to engage. And the last one, and this is so important in so many more places than Facebook, but I do want to tell you about it here today, is to recognize people. Let them know you appreciate them. Recognize your top contributors. A lot of people go through life not being recognized anywhere in their life. And this is the opportunity that you get to make them feel special. So if you have a Facebook group, let me know below. I would like to know what kind of Facebook group you have. Is it a product group? Is it a value group? Is it your coaching group? And you can go ahead and click the link in the description to join my Facebook group. And then you're gonna wanna head over to the next video that I will put right here on how to create your very own Facebook group with all the Facebook changes in 2020. If you don't already have one, get it started. And these tips are going to help you to get it off on the right foot. I'll see you in the next video.